So I finally got my first paycheck as a content creator from Twitch. How much did I make? Before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. I want to go ahead and let you know that everything you do from watching the video, interacting with it, greatly helps me, and I would love to continue to interact and talk to you about your comments down below. So make sure you go ahead and comment what has been your experiences with today's video. If you do like the video though, make sure you hit a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, as well as ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of these. Also, check me out on Twitch. I do stream 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Love to interact with you. Make sure you go ahead and look at my schedule out over there. Also, check our Discord out. It's a fantastic community, and I would love for you to be a part of that. And with all that out of the way, let's talk about how much money Twitch paid me. So I got Twitch affiliate back in January of this year, and I've been working hard, having great growth and enjoying my community. And I just wanted to talk to you about what that looks like as a beginning a Twitch affiliate, signing that contract, going through those terms of service. Was it worth it? Do I look back now and think of something differently? Do I think I could have done something in a different sense to have better growth or whatever the case? And yeah, so with all of that, let's talk about all of that and talk about how much that led into this first paycheck from Twitch. So Twitch affiliate, once you sign it, it puts you being able to go ahead and get subs to your channel, as well as receive bits and receive that monetization, as well as rolling ads, and all of those things add up to your total amount that you've received on Twitch from a stream or from a series of streams for that month. And once you reach a specific threshold, that threshold will allow you to get that money paid out, whether it be in PayPal or a check, direct deposit, whatever the case. You set all of that up in your affiliate onboarding program. So if you're curious about what that looks like, maybe I can do another video about all of the terms of service, but just know that once you sign that contract, you've stated that any content that you put on Twitch, within 24 hours of ending that stream, it has to live on Twitch before moving it somewhere else. So, and there's a whole lot more there. Just know that signing that puts you not as an exclusive streamer, but they own that content for 24 hours and it must live on their program. With that out of the way, let's talk about the money side of it. And I'm going to take you into my analytics and show you how long it took me to grow that part of my channel to be able to get a payout from Twitch. So let's go over to the PC. All right, so we're here in my analytics, and I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it to where it is. I have filtered it from when I made the first $100 on Twitch, which is required for you to get a payout. So I got monetized or Twitch affiliate just after the beginning of January. Did one of my first streams that I actually got subs on around January 6th. I got 1 paid sub and 2 prime subs and got $7.10 there. And then from there, we were able to get a little bit of ad money, subs here and there. I had a larger day. I got 1 day of just $8.60. And as I kept going, all of that added up to where at the middle of August, or around the beginning of August 6th, I finally reached that $100 threshold, and I had $100.61. And so once I reached that, after that 6-month period or 7-month period, I was finally able to request that first payout for being a content creator on Twitch. So my first paycheck from Twitch was $107. Let me click over and see. $107.93 that I got paid out in September, on September 12th, so not too long ago. And that is my first paycheck from Twitch. And now I want to go ahead and show you since then what has happened. I'll go ahead and look at my average viewers. What you can see is I've averaged 3.8 viewers, and that is not a lot. I'll consistently have, as we're getting more consistent on our streams, as you can tell later here in the analytics, I'm having more streams and averaging even more. So the growth is happening. We're pushing forward. We're trying to do those things. But I want to go ahead and filter from August 6th until now to go ahead and show you what my current status looks like. So since then, I've averaged viewers of 5 average viewers, so there is some growth. I've had a lot more live views. I've had 17 subscriptions, and I've had several follows, 91 follows within this last point. And you can see all of my average viewers are really high here. And I had a 24-hour stream that might also be helping some of these numbers right here on September 4th and 5th. And within this last couple months, I've had $63 worth of revenue. So I've already built up enough to possibly get a payout, depending on analytics, within another month or so for another 100. And so that's kind of where we are, and looking at what it's like to be a small Twitch affiliate, you know, a less than 10 viewer. How quickly does this happen? And mileage may vary for everyone, but I'm not a very quickly growing channel, and I'm kind of enjoying the process as we go. And money's not necessarily the defining factor right now. It would be great, but I'm not hurting for it right now. So I just want to go ahead and let you know that regardless of where you are in your Twitch career, whether you just started today, or you're a Twitch partner, or you're just a brand new Twitch affiliate, you're about to hit the partner, wherever you are, just know that be understanding of where you are in your process, and understand that you had to have started somewhere, and you are trying to go somewhere. So make a goal. Say, I'm going to be, 300 followers or something like that by the end of this time. I would hate to say let money be your driving factor. Trying to depend on content creation solely by itself is a scary thing. So make sure that whatever you do, you set yourself up in the right financial place. Just because you get Twitch affiliate, or even for a lot of people, just because you get Twitch partner, that doesn't sign your ticket to being this wealthy content creator supported by streaming all the time. Just really position yourself in understanding and humbling yourself where you are. So yeah, that's a lot of words to say. Just make the right decisions, guys. And I think that'll wrap up this video. If you have any questions, or you want to, talk to me about that, just jump in Discord, come by the Twitch, all of that stuff. I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. I'd love for you to stop by. Definitely join the Darkness Discord. I'd love to be able to, connect with you on a way if you have questions, or, whatever the case. That'd be great for you to stop by. Another thing is to go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications here on YouTube, as I do continue to release content that will help you grow your streaming career. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.